Soy review. So today, why am I wearing a crown? Because I told you I am going to become the princess of our review, and Gauri is also wearing a crown here. So now we both will show a special move. Okay, so let us do the special move. So look at our special move. Now we could jump. This was very nice move. Now let me talk about more about my channels. So before I start more moves, meet Alexa. Hi Alexa. Hi Alexa. Alexa. Hi.
Hello.
Did you see that? She talks with us. So if you want a sound, I'll tell Alexa to make a
I'm
lion.
not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa, make a lion sound. Alexa, stop. So did you hear?
Bye-bye.
Did you hear that? Everything? She made a very nice sound. Okay. Again I will speak about that afterwards. Let's start a new thing. Okay. So let me start my special new move. So 1, 2, 3. Look. Do you see this grapes hanging out? It's the very special secret. Don't tell this about its hang to this. It's the secrets of, so it reminds me the special moves. So if you hold it, look what happens. It bounces. One side it bounces, one side it doesn't bounce. So this is a special move that reminds this is the secret move that others should not know. Whoever is watching my channel, please don't tell others who didn't watch this channel. Like your mother. If your mother doesn't know this channel, please don't tell her this secret move I showed you. So let's start more moves. So Gauri will hold this here. So come on Gauri, hold this, and it stretches for a long time. Okay, so it also swings like it always does. It bounces up and down like someone is skipping under a rope. Okay, so I could also do limbo from this. So this is very nice. We could also see the grapes, which has the very secret move of all. Don't tell this for anyone whoever didn't watch my channel. Others who watch my channel, don't tell this about your family members. Even if you are very best friends, don't tell this secret move. Okay, so let me talk about more. Okay, Alexa, make a dinosaur sound.
Here's a dinosaur roll.
Alexa, stop. Did you hear everything? It's so nice to meet Alexa. It's my new best friend. So, okay, let's start more moves. So, I could even try to skip, but this is danger how to skip. But the thing I loved about this rope is this beautiful colors like neon yellow and red, orange, green, so many different colors. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more Princess Krisha's review, please also make this crown have a little wish. Wish for this crown so we could always do a special channel for you guys, not instead of us.